What is going on, my fine people? Fineline 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release May 18th. But before we get into that review, I want to take a quick look at some more upcoming Jordan releases. First, we got the Air Jordan Retro 3 Wizard PE releasing April 29th. And next, we got the Air Jordan Retro 11 Low Women Exclusive releasing on May 11th. Now, both of the shoes that we just had a quick look at, as well as the upcoming review, is shipping now on Fineline1721.com. So if you want to pick your pairs up early, head over to the website. Also have full reviews live on the channel if you want to check that out. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Getting right into the box, as you can see, we got the standard Air Jordan Retro box for women, all white gold Jumpman logo on the top. Taking a look at the label, Women's Air Jordan 3 Retro, white, varsity red, lucky green. This is a size 11 that we're going to be taking a look at, and it has a 9.5 youth, which basically is a men's size. I don't know why Jordan Brand has converted back to putting a Y on the box, but nevertheless, this one and also the Women Retro 11 does have like some sizes with the Y on the side. Flipping the lid up, peel this paper back, let's go ahead and get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 3 Lucky Green Women Exclusive. Now, right off of the bat, these do come with one added accessory. As you can see here, we have the plastic Jumpman Air hang tag, clear base with the Lucky Green insert. Getting right into the top-down view of the shoe, as you can see, we have the fuzzy fleece sock liner, got the all-white tongue with the varsity red Jumpman logo. The leather uppers also has a nice little subtle tumble leather to them as well, very soft to the touch. Going around to the lateral side of the shoe, that tumble leather goes throughout the whole uppers, as you can see here. Smooth white leather on the mud guard, standard elephant print on the toe and the heels, sail midsole with the Lucky Green accent color going throughout the heel. Milky white air bubble unit going down to the bottom of the shoe. All gray bottom with the Lucky Green accent on the toe and the red Jordan branding right here underneath it. Now going around to the heels of the shoe. All white heel tab with the gray Jumpman logo sitting on top of the gray Air. Going around to the medial side of the shoe, same exact way as the lateral, nothing different there. One last little 360 look at these joints. Very, very clean colorway in my opinion. The color blocking reminds you of like the SB4 that just recently released. So if you did not get a chance to get those, these definitely probably will be a nice little substitute. That about wraps it up for this quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 3 Women Exclusive Lucky Green. If you are a fan of this colorway and you want to pick them up, they are shipping now on Fineline1721.com. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, Fineline1721. And into the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.